All right, this is Bitcoin on the daily, and if you take a look where we were a few days ago, I mean maybe a month ago, I was talking about this head and shoulders, and we might have a breakdown. This was on the 12th of May, this was last month, and we might have a fake out, and that's what happened. We had a breakdown and a fake out. At the moment, it's showing a follow through. We broke below the VWAP, and the target could take us down to 23,180, where we'll find some structural support in and around this zone between the 23,978 and the 22,800, I believe. So if we break down, that's what I'm looking at. And if you are not in a short, despite me giving you the levels, I'll give you the levels again. If we pump up value area loads 27,130, we do have structural resistance at around 26k. So if we come here, just being a round number, I would expect us to find some resistance in and around 26k, where we've been struggling, and that will be the VWAP on the daily time frame. If we come down, we could come down to the 23,180. However, Bitcoin needs to maintain this certain level to remain bullish. We could come all the way down to 20k, or even 21,986. If we start losing 21,986, say 22,000, then we'll be having more downside to go, because this was assumed to be a 1 2 and another 1 and a 2. The 2 can't break below the 0.786. Preferably it can, but preferably it doesn't. A bearish signal is that we have crossed below the value area high of this entire lower range, where we weren't that we were in. The last time we broke out of here was around 18th of March. We had a breakout on the 17th of March. Now we're back there, and if you're breaking below the value area high, then there is a good chance you might be visiting the POC 19225. Don't forget, you have the value, you have a CME gap on the CME chart. It's around 20k. You could come there, but I would like to see Bitcoin come lower and not break this level, and let the RSI on Bitcoin come lower and form hidden bullish divergence, like in my Ethereum video that I posted today, the second Ethereum video that I posted today. You can see that I was showing, it was talking about the hidden bullish divergence that I have on the RSI on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, you want the RSI to do as in Ethereum, to break below the 10th of March low on the RSI, but price to remain above the low of 10th of March. So in my opinion, we haven't got that yet. I expect a pullback for Bitcoin. That means a pump, not a significant one, just a retrace of this drop down. So if I go to a smaller time frame, I would expect Bitcoin to come down and retrace 50% of this move down from above this POC over here, 28,488, all the way to the drop. I would expect we could come all the way to 26,637 and still be bearish, and expect one more leg down. That one more leg down, that one more flash out might give that hidden bearish bullish divergence. Yeah, so that's my level. And if you come up above the 0.5, then you'd be looking a bit more bullish, and you could go all the way up to this golden pocket at around 27,100 zone, where the value area low is. So that's double confluence. And if you put your indicators and try to see any EMAs, your 200 EMA comes almost perfectly with the 0.5 fib at 26,637 on the 4 hourly. So that's a level to watch, 26,637, if you can get above it. Your first level to watch also is a 50 EMA at around 25,921. Now, a retrace of a wave 4 could bring you to the 0.236, 25,671, 0.382, 26,205, 26,637. Just watch those levels. If you are able to reclaim this 27,186, the value area low 27,130, then you are aiming for 28,022. To the downside, you are still at downside risk. You have the shaded area, that's a lot of liquidity down there. So what I'm telling you is that you could have a retrace, but I anticipate further move down, at least to cause that RSI to break 10th of March low on the RSI. For a long trade, you are somewhat in support. You've been holding it now, and this level, as I told you, is support. You came down to it, 23,180, somewhere around there. You have if you go to the left, you can see that we are in this level where it was previous resistance, and we're struggling to get above. So our immediate level that we need to get above is 25,183, value area high of this range. All right, I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, hit your notification, join the free Discord. More trades. I'll see you in the next one.